Today on Taste Buds, we're gonna be showing you how I oven roast breadfruit from scratch, yeah. And so it's a very simple process, and let's get to it. First thing you want to do is you want to cut out the stem, and this is how I've seen my mama do it. You just take a sharp knife and just punch into the stem until you can pop it out. The next thing that I know my mama does is that she forms a cross or cuts a cross or an X at the base or the other side of the breadfruit, and this I believe is to release trapped air that is inside of the breadfruit. And then after that, you're pretty much gonna put your oven on about at 400 degrees, 350 to 400 degrees, and depending on your oven, you know how hot or cold your oven is, and you're just gonna put your breadfruit in. And you don't have to wash your breadfruit or nothing like that. You just put your breadfruit in. Pardon my oven, guys. My oven is very, very stainy. Please don't come for me. Yes, it good though. It clean. After a certain period of time, maybe say about 20 minutes or so, you're gonna check on your breadfruit. Yes, and you're gonna check for doneness by simply taking your breadfruit out of the oven. Use something to hold the breadfruit. Please don't burn yourself. And you're gonna insert a sharp knife right in the center of that X that you cut previously. Now if the knife goes in and goes in all the way through easily with a little bit of breadfruit fragments on it, then your breadfruit is done. If it is difficult to go in, it don't go in properly, then your breadfruit needs to continue baking a little bit longer. The next thing you want to do is you want to peel your breadfruit. Once your breadfruit has been baked, you want to peel it. Now I have left my breadfruit until it's cold, and so it is easier to handle. But you can peel your breadfruit and you can have it immediately out of the oven, or you can do it like how I do it, which is allow it to stay cold and then peel it with the intent to refry it after you have done peeling it. And that is how Jamaicans eat breadfruit most of the time. They eat fried, peeled, fried roast breadfruit. Sorry, I don't know where my head is. Fried roast breadfruit. That's what Jamaicans eat, and they have it for breakfast a lot of times. So that's a good way to eat your breadfruit. So today I'm having my breadfruit fried with some sauteed cabbage. Yes man, because we're still going a little bit meat free for the past couple of weeks, and I really am enjoying it, you know, reboot my system and thing. So I'm just cutting up my breadfruit now, peeling it, and then I'm gonna store it in my plastic container. Again, you can store this for about a week, 2 weeks, depending on, you know, your refrigerator and all them something there, and then you're gonna fry it. So that's the plan for the breadfruit today. So here is the breadfruit after I finish frying it, guys. I tell you, look how it look golden brown and cute. That's how you want to eat your breadfruit. And I'm just gonna quickly make something to go with it. I'm gonna saute up some greens and some cabbage, yeah, some bell peppers, celery, onions, and some cabbage, and I'm gonna make a quick cabbage stir fry and pair this with my breadfruit. Once again, try it in your neck of the woods. Oven bake your breadfruit, roast it in the oven. Make sure so you get your full dose of a good thing. Remember me tell you. Once again, thanks for watching Taste Buds. Remember to log on, like, subscribe, comment, and if you can, shop now. Lick the shop now button and buy a t-shirt, man. Some of them cheap, some of them a little bit more pricey, but hey, support is support. Buy a t-shirt, alright? So look out for more great videos, great recipes coming your way soon from Yardie TV. Taste Buds, look the man, fried breadfruit look good. Turn up. look so good and nice. And that me I say, clean eating, eat good food and keep your body healthy. Hey, anyway you're there, remember to turn your hand and make fashion. That's how you do the thing. You understand? So once again, join me for Taste Buds. More food will come. Just keep logging. Press the bell. Forget notification. Subscribe and like, yeah? And buy a t-shirt. Remember me tell you. Yardie belly. Yardie belly.